Threading of the machine. First, we are going to wind the bobbin. Remove the bobbin by pulling the cover towards you. Pull up the spool holder. This is where you place a spool of thread. While winding a bobbin, refer to the second diagram on top of your machine for the threading direction. I'm going to insert the thread from into the hole on top of the bobbin. The thread should be upwards, and when we place it onto the shaft, make sure you click it all the way down, and then we are going to move it towards the right side of the machine. Pull up the thread on the machine, step on the pedal, and it will start winding. At this time, you can trim off the thread on top. When winding the bobbin, it will be going up and down to ensure that it is winding evenly. If it does not wind evenly, you can just give a slight tap at the thread. It will come to an auto stop when the bobbin is full. Next, we are going to cut off the thread to separate out from the bobbin. To remove the bobbin, push back towards the left side and remove. Next, we are going to thread the machine. Remove the thread from the tension disc that is meant only for winding up the bobbin. Refer to the first diagram on top of the machine for step 1. And if you take a look at your machine, there are the steps of 2, 3, 4, and 5. Follow the step. At this point of time, there is a pickup lever which is hidden on the slit towards the left side. If you look through, there's this metal that is moving as I turn my hand wheel. You want it at the highest position. Another trick will be checking the hand wheel. There is a line on top of the hand wheel, and it's aligned to the side of the machine. So we are going to pull up 3 up to the highest point and pull it towards the left side and make sure it's picked up by the lever. After number 5, we are going to go through the last thread guide before we use the built-in needle threader to thread it. First, take a look at this. This is the presser foot lever. Push it upwards to move the presser foot up and release it to put the presser foot down. With the presser foot down, I'm going to hold onto my thread, pull it towards the back under the thread guide, release. To use the inbuilt needle threader, this is the pedal. You are going to pull it down so it latches onto the needle. The thread is going to go towards the left side under the thread guide, forming a letter form. So the thread is now in front of the needle, underneath the thread guide of 11, and we are going to slowly release. As we release, the thread is being pulled back and forms a little loop. Pull the thread backwards, and your needle is threaded. To install the bobbin, remove the cover. The bobbin thread must be on the left side of the bobbin. Remember, it forms a letter P. Drop it in. The thread is at the 6 o'clock direction, coming straight down, and we are going to go pull it upwards and hold down the bobbin with a finger at the same time, pulling it in between the two slits in a clockwise direction, and then turn it backwards into the tunnel. And at the end of the tunnel, there is this penknife that if you pull against it, it will cut off your extra thread. Now you can place back the cover, pushing. The next step will be drawing out the thread from the bobbin thread. The hand wheel, you will turn it one round by holding on to the thread from the needle. And if you look closely, the thread is already up. You can just leave it. I'm drawing out for you to see. Whenever you start sewing, remember the threads are to be placed at the back of the machine.